Good day, folks. Quickie Roadside here. Today we are in Sac Vegas, Lower Sackville officially. Sac Vegas is home. We're at exit 4C from the 102 to the 101. This one's a bit of an interesting one. Again, it's another challenge. Someone did request this, so I am going to show it. So let's get into it. Starting out, we came off the exit of Rifle Range Hill, came down and around, and you come up. Now this exit here, you have two yield signs, one there, one right over there, and it tells you don't go that way. But this exit is a little different, and I'll tell you why. You see the lines come down, the lines come down, lines come down. You have a checkered line, and it stops you from merging into the other lane. Just like Buddy there, who didn't have to yield. He didn't have to. He was actually good. As you're coming off the 101 into Bedford, you have your two lanes here. This exit actually pulls forward a little farther, which allows you to stop and check the traffic flow coming from the other way. And whether or not this guy is going to do it, nope, he made it safely. However, on the other side of the road, and we're going to get to it, there is a whole different setup. And we're going to go over that.